You want to start a successful trading but aren't ready to take a big money from the family budget? Don't worry, buddy. To get started quickly, all you need is $20 and the desire to reach your financial goals. Hello everyone, my name is Uche and I'm making trading accessible to everyone. In this video, I will show you how to multiply even the smallest sum by more than 50 times in just one day. For this, you need two things: a couple of reliable indicators and the proper setup. I will give you all of that, my friend. Plus, I will explain how to plan every time you open your broker's terminal. Watch the video till the end to fully understand the trading system and start turning your model capital into real wealth. Let's go. Okay guys, we have got the Bollinger Bands and CCI here. And now I will teach you how to profit from trades using combinations. First, we are interested in the Bollinger Bands and the reversal point you see on the screen right now. The key idea is that the price often reverses at the channel boundary. Here, the price stalls with the multiple bounces of the lower Bollinger Bands leading up to upward reversals. Now the opposite scenario. In the case of the charts drop sharply after the reversing at the upper Bollinger Bands. And here we saw a situational bounce upward, a potential opportunity to trade the price rise. Signal also come from the interaction between the price and middle Bollinger Bands. A breakout and rejection of this line can also be a reason to enter the trade. Thus, the indicator bands act as a support and resistance zones for finding ideal reversal points. This is a good indicator, but it needs a filter. For that, we use CCI extreme, like here, where the indicator exits in on channel. An upward breakout signals a potential pause in the uptrend, while the downward breakout warns of a possible end to the downtrend. So we are enter based on Bollinger Bands, but always consider CCI, which can alert us to the end of the local trend. All of this is the best understood visually through practice, and that's exactly what we'll do now. My friend, as I look for the first entry point. Okay, entry loan here. Now I will break down all the nuances of this entry point. We can see an upward trend forming. There is a bounce of another line coinciding with a reversal from the channel. CCI is still in a normal territory, not too high, so we can calmly wait for the rise, guys. While we wait, let's discuss the key topic in the trading, your financial goal. We are all here for the money, right? But everyone has their own appetite. You can start trading with almost any amount and it will grow if you consistently develop as a trader and achieve stable results in your sessions. Today, I'm doing a deposit runs up from just $20 to prove exactly that. And yes, the first profitable trade is already behind us. Guys, let's keep trading. I will take a very short pause and re-enter here. The indicators show a perfect setup and we should take advantage of it. Entering long sessions, the price actions is identical, so I won't repeat myself. Instead, let's continue discussing goals. When starting your trading session, you must have clear profit target, guys. Not as much possible, not whatever, but exact number. This helps you in two ways. First, you will know your initial risk, your expected profit, and roughly when to finish. Second, and more importantly, you will know when to stop. Greed is a trader's worst enemy. Guys, many beginners don't know the limit and trade endlessly. The result, profit slowly turn into losses and excitement into frustrations. Okay, meanwhile, I'm in profit again. Let's close another trade here. Since the market is playing by our rules, there is a reason to exit just yet. I will watch the cut for 10 seconds and re-enter if everything looks good. By the way, my financial goal is $1,000. Here's my next step toward it. CCI is still stable, guys. Not overbought, no upward breakout, so we can calmly wait for another profitable long trade. I'm a pro, so I can afford to set a goal to multiply my starting deposit by 15 times, But you beginners, there is no need to rush. Set conservative goal for yourself Start small but focus on steady profit, and over time you will see not just your deposit grow but also gain confidence in your trading. In other words, your yearly goal should simply be staying in the green, not the red. Even that is success. Meanwhile, I've closed my third positions. Now I think it's time to switch the charts. Another long trade, guys. First note, a couple of CCI dips and recovery. This align with the price attempts to reverse upward. Now we are executing the second long increase and expect to be successful. The price has just broken the middle Bollinger Band, so further upside is logical. While we wait, and let's discuss realistic goals for beginners. If you trade like me, fast trade, 1 minute expiration, frequent entry, a 20-50% sessions gain in solid target. Don't rush to skip this video. I understand that many things I explained might sound unclear. That's normal. When I started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all these strategies, divergences, and all technical analysis. But now you have a choice. Either you go through the same path I did and learn how to trade while burning through your deposit in the earlier stage, or start trading using AI that provides you ready and tested signals and will help you earn, even this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed this unique software and have put into it my experiences multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes the charts 24/7 and give you signals with 22% accuracy. All you need to do is enter the trade at the right time and make profit. You want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the descriptions and DM me there, and I will explain you how to use and set up these applications. And most importantly, you will get this software completely free. So I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Follow the link in the descriptions and we continue. This is absolutely achievable if you are willing to work hard, dedicate time, and stay profitable. Meanwhile, I've closed another trade, switching charts and continuing. Another great opportunity is to go long. Here's the setup. CCI fell below its range, signaling a half in the decline. At the same time, price is holding at the middle Bollinger Bands, preparing to climb. Technically, where is a down trade but will definitely reach its descending trend line. By the way, no matter your financial goals, the key is executions. Guys, to succeed, you must stay profitable. You need a working strategy and the skill to use it. Beginners are best of working with pro. I will be happy to help. Join my Telegram channel where I share free trade signals to help you get started fast. It's a great way to see your first profit and gain experience. Meanwhile, I'm already 200 up. Switching charts, moving for hour. Okay, another long setup here. Let's analyze it. First, confirm that CCI is steady and still has room to grow. Then we see the price bouncing off the Bollinger Band's central line, which confirm potential upward momentum. Just need to wait for it now, guys. There is another aspect of financial goals I haven't mentioned yet. The higher your potential profit, the greater your risk is. So you need to think not just about how much you want to earn, but also how much you are willing to lose. Yes, losses are inevitable in trading, so you need to be mentally prepared for them. Every pro has two limits: the profit amount at which they stop trading and the loss amount at which they take a break. Keep this in mind every time you start trading. Meanwhile, I'm locking in another successful trade and preparing to continue trading with you on a new chart. Continue with a long position, guys. Today we have a very green market. Everything's either rising or starting to reverse upward. While we wait for expirations, let's go over the key point. If you have decided to start developing your trading skills, define your financial goals. Every time you open your terminal, you should know under what condition you will close it. When starting out, making 50% profit on your trading deposit is already the dream for beginners. I would say even 20% is quite sufficient. Also set yourself a maximum loss percentage where you say, okay, I need to calm down and take a break. Today is not my day. I recommend stopping at 10%. Okay, another profitable trade, guys. Taking a short break and we'll continue in 10 seconds. And of course, profitable trade should be your top priority. Guys, focus on your strategy, its effectiveness, and your skills. I'm back in the market. This will be the last position for today. And I think it's appropriate here to show the bigger pictures. So we have been slowly and sometimes sharply moving downward, and now we have bounced back up. We are in the growth phase with a key level breakout. The macro perspective looks perfect. The indicator confirms the upward movement. The asset still has potential to grow further. Now we just need to wait for an expiration. I hope you have already recognized the value of this strategy and are ready to implement it. I also trust you have taken my advice about financial growth seriously. Before beginning this session and preparing to record this video for you, I made a firm commitment to earn $1,000 and show my viewers every details to the process. So here we are at the finish line. Financial target achieved, guys. Now, I can share with you the most important aspect of our trading system, the indicators parameters. Okay, we are looking at the blank charts where I will now add all necessary elements. For Bollinger Bands, set period to 6, deviation to 2. Everything is ready, my friends. You may adjust the color and